Hey YouTube, this is Sean again talking about vending machines. This is our fifth of the part, feel like part one, but this is part five of the one subject, how to get into the vending machine business, tell you a little bit about it. So here we go, we're gonna start now.
Alrighty, hi everybody. Sean, one of my other questions that I don't think I covered from 1 to 4 in the segments is the startup cost.
Startup cost?
Is there a low startup cost? I know you say
Yeah, you could buy an old machine for right on $1,000 or 1,500. 1,500 machine a little bit better.
Okay.
Those are 1,500 is a little bit good when you start.
What's that? What's that?
They old, but they work forever.
They work forever. That's what we want. And then when the person knows how to stack that machine, that old machine that can work forever,
And
that makes more profit.
In the beginning, if you don't know how to fix machines, you see all this stuff fell in my lap. So I don't really know how to tell people to find.
So what do you mean when it falls in your lap? You just blessed. I mean, what? I mean, come on.
Yeah, when I went and started buying vending products. I started talking to people, and they gave me numbers of people who fix the machines. So yeah, when I can't fix something, I've been blessed to find this one guy, older guy. He's not that expensive, so he'll come out and fix my machine for me. But it's cheaper if you learn how to fix it. So it's better if you just like sometimes I got so many machines to go to. He has a key to my machine, so he'll go and fix it while I'm gone. But it's better if I could stay there and watch him.
Right.
And the next time I know how to fix it.
Alright. Well, that's what you pay him for, so don't even worry about a big guy. You the big guy.
Tax write off.
Tax write off. But see, he's on there for your taxes, right?
Yeah.
So you're good.
Yep.
Wow. So your maintenance is done by him.
Yep.
And
oh, you should do maintenance. You should, when you go to each machine, you should like clean it and clean the fans off and all that stuff. I don't really do it. I should be doing it, but yeah, because that stuff kind of makes your machine break down when you don't do continuous maintenance on it.
Right.
Like every day, like every week maintenance, like clean the fans off, clean the front of your machine off, clean around it, clean the vent on the bottom that sucks up dirt and stuff.
Are you serious? I didn't think these machines had so much dirt and debris, and all that kind of stuff.
There's a fan running, there's a vent underneath, so it's sucking everything underneath, so the fan can blow.
Do you have some of these intelligent machines, like if I press B2, B5, Doritos, B2, Starburst?
Those credit card readers that do all that fancy stuff that doesn't sound good, so you can pay all that money. Okay. I just want a nice credit card machine, that reader that's working.
Okay.
Yep. But they do have those.
So is this job, is it flexible or not? I know we talked about the work-life balance earlier. So what about flexibility? I mean,
no, it's not. It's no such thing as flexibility. I mean, you're gonna do what the business requires. So if I work at night, I have all day, so I give my day to what needs to be done. Like in the vending machine business locations, I can't ever say Friday I'm going to this place when it's on Monday. So every day I actually look at what I need to do for that day.
But what if the building's not open? I mean, some of these buildings you don't have 24/7 access, so flexibility.
Yeah. For the most part, yeah. Sometimes, yeah, during the day you can basically get to some places. Like I have one place that closes at 3.
Right.
So I got to get there before 3 o'clock. But then you build a rapport with these people, and sometimes there might be one person in there. They'll let you stay over till 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Like that one place I was talking about, the main building is open till 5. The outside building is open till 3, but they know me, so they'll let me stay at 4 o'clock.
Oh, so you have the freedom and flexibility to restock the vending machine.
Yeah.
Collect your money or whatever suits you, right?
Yeah.
All right. Do you ever think about this in the future? I mean, from knowing you, the time I've known you, you're really, I mean, you take your time and plan out everything. You're not sporadic as far as your life. So is these vending machines generational wealth for your children?
It is if they want to do it. I seen one guy had a woodworking business, a real big warehouse. He said he was selling his business. I had to take my machines out. He said his kids didn't want it, so he sold the business.
Wow.
So it depends if your kids want it or not. But yeah, you can. If you structure your business properly, you can pass it down.
Okay.
That's another episode, how to structure your business. But yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Oh wow.
That's another question, yeah, how to structure a business.
So I mean, do you have to secure contracts with these business locations?
Yeah,
You place your machines there.
yeah, some people want a contract. Some people don't.
Right.
Some people want commission. Some don't.
Really?
So it's different everywhere.
You don't want the shakedown thing, you know, like back in the day. Shakedown. Give me 10%.
It's more like 5%. Like usually from a dollar to $999, usually 5%. Then $1,000 is like 10%. But yeah,
Okay.
if you got a business making $1,000 a month, yeah, that's
you know, how many machines you have? You have like 57.
That's real good. I got 57 machines.
You're rolling. All right.
I got some bad places, but some of the bad places I need to replace and put them in different places.
Well, you look like you're doing well to me. Well, this ends this episode 5.
And this episode number 5, we be back number 6, probably on Monday. Y'all have any questions? Please subscribe. Leave them down below, and I answer those questions as soon as I get back. All right.